Charlie and the other children came across some doll-sized human beings in the chocolate room, and Wonka explained they are Oompa Loompas whom he saved from the dangerous country of Loompa Land. So Charlie and some other children came across some doll-sized human beings, and Wonka is saying that they are Oompa Loompas. They are known as Oompa Loompas, whom he saved from the dangerous country of Loompa Land. So Wonka saved them from the dangerous country of Loompa Land. The Oompa Loompas agreed to work for Wonka and live in his factory in exchange for a safe home and endless supply of cacao beans, which was their favorite food. So now the Oompa Loompas agreed to work for Wonka. If the question arises, or if the question comes, why did Oompa Loompas agree to work for Wonka? Why did Oompa Loompas agree to work for Wonka? So your answer will be the Oompa Loompas agreed to work for Wonka because of two reasons. First, to get a safe home or a better home, and secondly, because of an endless supply of cacao beans, which was their favorite food. Fine. Now next. As Wonka was speaking, Augustus Gloop started to drink from the chocolate river despite being warned not to do so. So as Wonka was speaking, Augustus Gloop. So Augustus Gloop is the first child to receive the golden ticket. Fine. Next, he was a fat boy and had a problem of overeating. Fine. So Augustus Gloop started to drink from the chocolate river. उससे बहुत सारी वार्निंग मिल रही थी, लेकिन he didn't listen to it and went to drink the chocolate from the chocolate river. Be careful, Augustus, shouted Mr. Gloop. Now Mr. Gloop is shouting and saying, be careful, Augustus, you are leaning too far out. मतलब तुम पानी के बहुत पास जा रहे हो. Be careful, what are you doing? Just then he fell into the river. Just then Augustus fell into the river, where the current pulled him through a series of glass pipes. अब क्या हुआ, जो पानी था उसने Augustus को खींच लिया through a series of glass pipes. So जो पानी था उसने Augustus को खींच लिया, and now he was visible through glass pipes. Augustus was visible shooting inside the glass pipes like a torpedo. Augustus was visible shooting inside the glass pipes like a torpedo. Now Augustus was clearly visible through a glass pipe, and he suddenly went upwards. Within a second, he suddenly went upwards. Okay? Who went upwards? Augustus. Wonka assured everyone that Augustus will not be harmed by the experience. So Willy Wonka said, don't worry, everything is fine. No need to worry. He is all fine, so no need to worry about him. And an Oompa Loompa would lead Mr. and Mrs. Gloop to the fudge room. Now Wonka has said Oompa Loompas to take Mr. and Mrs. Gloop to the fudge room where their son would return safely. The tour proceeded without the Gloop families. Now the tour continued. Proceeded means to continue. The tour continued without the Gloop family. Gloop family के बिना now the tour continued. अब वो उनका अपनी जो tour था वो continue होता रहा बिना Gloop family के. Fine. The guest boarded a yacht made of pink candy and sailed down the chocolate river. Now, very important. When we have started reading, so we got to know Wonka led his guest. Here guest means 5 children plus their family. Now the first case was Augustus Gloop, about Augustus Gloop. So he was left behind. Now how many guests were left? 4 children plus their family. So 4 children plus their family, these were the guests who boarded a yacht made of pink candy. So the yacht is a boat or a ship made of ship or a boat, and it was made up of pink candy, and they sailed down the chocolate river. और उस पे बैठ के वो चले गए. Okay. Now next, everyone disembarked at the inventing room. So they took a yacht and they went away and they reached inventing room. Disembark means to get off. They get off, वो yacht से उतरे and reached the inventing room. Wonka showed the children several of his new candy creations such as everlasting gobstoppers, hair toffee, etc. Now Wonka is showing some new creations of candies, and he is showing to children that he had some new creations of candies. And what are they? Such as everlasting gobstoppers, hair toffee, etc. Against Wonka's advice, Wonka की advice के against जाके Violet Beauregard, now the second child, Violet Beauregard grabbed a piece of experimental gum and chewed it. So we have already read about these children, where the first one was Augustus Gloop, who was a fat boy and had a problem of overeating. Second was Violet Beauregard, who had a habit of chewing gum. So same way she did here also. She grabbed a piece of experimental gum and chewed it. Fabulous, shouted Violet. So she's very excited to taste that chewing gum, that new chewing gum. So she said, fabulous, extremely good, excellent. It's tomato soup. The taste of chewing gum was like tomato soup. It's hot and creamy and delicious. I can feel it running down my throat, she said. So Violet said, it is fantastic. It's fabulous. The taste of chewing gum is just like a tomato soup. It's hot, creamy, it's delicious, and I can feel it running down my throat. All of a sudden, so now what happened? Violet turned blue and swelled up until she resembled a giant blueberry. So after having the chewing gum, what happened? Violet turned blue. Violet नीली पड़ गई एंड स्वेल्ड अप. तो वो और नीली पड़ने के बाद वो फैल गई. स्वेल्ड अप मतलब फूल जाना, फैल गई, फूल गई. until she resembled a giant blueberry. तब तक वो फूलती रही जब तक वो giant blueberry की तरह दिखने ना लगी. Okay? Wonka ordered some Oompa Loompas to roll Violet to the juicing room. Now, Willy Wonka ordered some Oompa Loompas and he told the Oompa Loompas to take Violet to the juicing room, roll her and take her to the juicing room. Okay? Because she swelled up, वो इतनी फूल गई. So, Wonka is saying to the Oompa Loompas कि just roll her and just take her to the juicing room. Now why to the juicing room, where she would be squeezed until she returned to her normal size.